How's it going? In this super quick video, me and my dog here are gonna show you how you can use a green screen effect on Instagram. So let's get right to it. How do I add a green screen effect to an Instagram reel or an Instagram story that I'm gonna post? So the first thing I'm gonna have to decide is whether or not I want to do an Instagram story or an Instagram reel with the green screen effect, because it's slightly different whether you're doing it for a story or a reel. So let's check it out. Click on the top left-hand corner here, and then I will click on story. I'm gonna click on the live camera icon, and then there you go, here I am. I'm talking to the camera. Now, as you can see here, I have the green screen effect ready to go. I can just put it on right away, but it's often not gonna be there. So how do you find that? You're gonna have to scroll all the way to the end of your filter list here. It's gonna provide you with a million different filters to choose from, and then you're gonna want to click Browse Effects. From here, go to the little magnifying glass and then search green screen. You see I've searched it there. And then there you go on the top left, that is the green screen icon. I'll click on that, and then there you go. You see I have the green screen here. I can select any photo. I'm gonna select my dog again, and there you go. I have this little green screen that I can now record my video on. Hey, how's it going? This is my story and this is my dog. Very simple, that's how it's done. Well, how do you do it for an Instagram reel? Well, it's actually easier to do it for an Instagram reel. All you have to do is click on the plus symbol, go to reel, again, click on the live camera icon, and then you'll see here on the left that there's actually an option for green screen. So I don't even need to look up that effect. It's already included in the options for my Instagram reel. Pretty cool. And there you go. That is how you add a green screen to your Instagram reel or your Instagram story. Thanks so much for watching. We have tons of great content coming your way all the time.